everyone, welcome back to Nature and Taste. Today again I have come with a simple recipe, that is rice fryams. It's made using cooked rice. If you have any leftover cooked rice in your home and you do not want to throw it, just try this recipe out. I have mentioned the detailed ingredient list in the description box below. For making rice fryams, you will need cooked rice. I have taken brown rice here. You can use any variety of rice. Then asafoetida or hing, which we call. You can also use powdered variety of hing. Then cumin seeds, red chili powder and salt. For starting with the recipe, first heat a pan. Pour some oil into it. Once the oil is heated, put the asafoetida. If you are using powdered variety of hing or asafoetida, just skip this step. You don't have to do this. You can use the powdered variety as it is. See, if you are using this variety of asafoetida, then you have to heat it in oil. Let the raw smell vanish off. Once done, it will appear like this. After that, in a blender jar, put all the ingredients which we had mentioned, all of them together, and blend it into a smooth paste. You don't have to add any water at all. It should be a smooth paste. Once done, heat a pan again. The pan, it should be on low flame. We are following this step so that any moisture content present in the mixture gets rid of. Just saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. Do take care that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Do scrape off the edges and the bottom. Just after 4 to 5 minutes, switch off the flame and take the mixture out. Let it cool down. Once it is cooled down, in a hopper maker or save maker, this one is easily available in the market. Pinch a small portion of the prepared mixture, drop into it. After that, close it with the lid. Once closed, into a clean towel or clean cloth, press the mixture to the desired shape. You can give it any shape as per your wish, and follow the same step for the remaining mixture. After that, place it in sunlight so that it gets dehydrated. Mine is done right now. It took almost 1 day to get it done. After that, we need to fry it in oil. This color change is due to because I had also made use of white rice. That's why that slight color change. Fried all of the fryams in oil. You can have it with rice, or if your kids love to have it as snacks, you can also give it to them as it is. The oil should be hot when you drop the rehydrated fryams. Now I have taken the white rice fryams. It will appear like this. It's very crispy and crunchy. Enjoy it as it is or with rice. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.